Hey, good afternoon, everybody. This is Organic Dairyman, and today is Monday, October 8th, and it has been drizzling out all night and all morning, and I don't know, we ended up like with another, I don't know, well, it did actually rain just a little bit during the night, but we got like another, I think 4/10 of rain, but yeah, it just keeps drizzling out. And it's not getting any drier, so you can see the puddles out here in front of the shed. But I guess we're just gonna leave. We're gonna leave the cows in today because out there in the cattle lot, it's just getting muddy, and the cows are getting muddy. So we're gonna just leave the cows in, and we just switched the tractors around here. Just took the 720 off the feeder wagon and put the 4020 on there for now, just because it's got a cab on there, and just because we got to feed in the barn and stuff. So yeah, that's kind of what we've been doing here. It's like, yeah, it's like early afternoon and stuff, so we're just getting ready to start feeding in the barn. I don't really like leaving the cows in the barn because there's more chores to do, more cleaning up and everything like that. So just a lot more chores, but I guess we can't have the cows laying in the mud either and getting mastitis and things like that. So they're gonna have to stay in the barn, and they've been dropping on milk production because they've been outside and it's been a little cooler, and so they're converting more. Their body's using more of the taking more energy to stay warm, and so it's not putting that food towards the milk, their milk production. So they're dropping in milk. So if in the barn, they're going to be warmer, and they're not going to be, you know, dropping in milk production as much, because they don't have to convert some of that, you know, food into energy to stay warm. They could use it to produce milk instead. So because we need the milk, we need the money for it. So, but yeah, otherwise if they stay outside, they're just going to get messy and stuff, and I wouldn't want to be out in this stuff all day either. If I was I wouldn't want to be out in that drizzle all day either. So, but yeah, so we're gonna head up and get the start feeding in the barn here in a little bit, and that's gonna be our day. The day is gonna consist mostly of, let's say 90% of our days is gonna consist of chores now, until we can let the cows back out again. All this crappy weather decides it's gonna leave. But yeah, I know the whole Midwest is being affected by this now, but I guess so. Anyway, I'm gonna get that thing going, and then we're gonna start feeding in the barn here. So okay guys, we're finally in the barn here, and we are feeding the cows. They're my brothers feeding them out right now. So okay, now I'm getting loading up the feeder wagon for the young stock here. We got the cows all fed for the morning. We'll have to go back and feed them some more tonight again, so I'll have to reload for the cows. But oh, it is wet out there. It's wet, wet, wet. I am getting tired of wet. I just don't know how we can go from being so dry to all of a sudden too wet, but I guess. So, yeah, so I'm going to keep loading this up, and then I will, well, I got to grind a batch of feed here too. I was like, huh, it's just like, it's nothing but chores now that it's just raining out like this. It's just like, it's all it seems like it's going to be until it quits raining. It's just, I guess we don't have much of anything else to do, so, well, there's always something to fix, I guess, but, so I guess we'll just keep bearing with the rain. It's got to grin and bear it sometimes, but anyways, yeah, I'm going to keep going with this, and then finish up with the feeding, and then go grind a batch of feed. Chores are a lot of work. A guy's gotta have a snack every once in a while. Okay, everybody, I finally got the feed ground, and the feeder wagon's like 2/3 loaded up. I just got to put the soybean meal on and stuff, and then some corn silage on there, and that will be loaded. We are going to feed the cows the cows again this evening, or tonight, yeah, it I tell you, this weather is just downright, I'm not trying to be negative, but it's just kind of, it's hard not to get depressed when all you see is that. You see water and drizzle and water. I'm trying to keep my positive spirit up, or try to stay positive, but I don't know, I guess we've got things to do here. I know I should probably if I get some time here tomorrow, I ain't gonna have any time today because I had to obviously grind this batch of feed and stuff, but maybe tomorrow if I get time. I should get the corn head, do a little bit of, let's see, little stuff on here. Where is that lever? There's supposed to be some lever. There it is. I can't get that. There we go. Get these. That's in the wrong spot there, but yeah. Yeah, so guys, probably just needs to go through this thing, grease it. I think the chains are pretty tight. I'm not sure. I'm not sure about the closer plates on here. I guess you guys can't really see it. But let me get a little more light here. Yeah. Get these closer plates. I know. Thing I don't like about these, these aren't like, you can't adjust them from the cab, so you kind of get out and set them manually on this head. But yeah, so like I say, there's things to do during the rain. It's not like we're sitting around here twiddle diddling our thumbs, doing nothing and being bored. We got things to do in addition to the extra chores that we have to do now. So yeah, so I don't know how long the combine's gonna be sitting there, but doing nothing until this crappy weather gets the heck out of here. But yeah, so yeah, but anyways, I guess I'm not gonna sit here and yickety yak and stuff, but I think, yeah, I think that's about it for this video for today, or going to be it for the video for today. But I hope you enjoyed it. Tomorrow probably just gonna be pretty much a repeat of today, like except for, like I say, grinding the batch of feed. But excuse me. But anyways, so I'm just trying to stay positive. The weather is going to get nicer. It will happen. I just think back to 2009. I remember that year really well. That year was worse than this year. That year, 2009, we were still chopping corn silage at this time, and it was so at least we're done chopping corn silage. That's a positive thing. We got that done in time, but I just want to get done with this rain because it takes longer and longer for it to dry out this time of year. You don't have the heat units to dry out the water or make the water evaporate and stuff. But I'm going to remain positive, optimistic. It is going to get better. It is going to get better. So anyways, I'll leave you on that positive note. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop down in the comment section below. Check me out on Instagram and Twitter at Organic Dairyman, and check out all my other videos. And please hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet. And what else? Yeah, thanks everybody for watching. Thanks to everybody that has subscribed to my channel. And tell your friends about my channel. If you know anybody that would be interested in it, go ahead and spread the word. And yeah, so with that, I will catch you guys later.